When I thought it couldn't get worse, it got worse. I do not recommend this week right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Crumbl review. So it is Pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I really do hope that Crumbl is like donating like half of their profits to like a foundation, but who knows, but I hope so. We're gonna do in the order we got it from. So the first one we're gonna try is going to be the Cake Batter Blondie, and we're gonna do this thing where we guess their ratings before we have it. So this is it right here. So this is it right here, and I think this one is gonna be a 7 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna break it apart. That was really soft in the middle. Oh, a piece dropped. So I'm not gonna lie, like it's not bad, but it's not great either. Like I don't really like white chocolate, so I feel like the white chocolate is too empowering for it. I think that's the right word. Correct me if I'm wrong, but don't go too hard. But yeah, it's nothing too crazy. I would not want this again. And another thing, yeah, I was gonna say something else, but I'm going to the end to say it. But yeah, I don't really it was fluffy in the middle, so it was like cakey type of thing, because it was fluffy, but not really my kind of cookie, honestly. So if you like white chocolate, you're probably gonna like this one, but me though, no. I'm gonna give that one a 5.5. Sorry, so our first guess was completely wrong. So the donut one looks so cute. It looks like the Simpsons donut. It looks just like it, and that literally reminded me of it too. So this is how the donut one looks like. Super cute. I think this one's gonna be a solid 8. Hopefully. So we're gonna break it. Ooh, it is fluffy. I don't like how it's like everything is just like sugar cookie. Like 3 of them are sugar cookie and 1 is pink velvet. So where's the chocolate? Wait, what? This just got me tight. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Number one, when I was like, wait, what? Wait, what? It was because I feel like I just tasted mad pink dye. But then when I took the second bite, I didn't really taste it. Number two, bro, this tasted the same exact way the other cookie, but it just had white chocolate. Bro, become more creative, please. Like, and I feel like the last cookie is gonna taste exactly like that one, because the last cookie is really soft, so I'm not gonna pick it up. But when we go to the last cookie, actually, I'm gonna just make it the next cookie. I say, why would I do the last cookie? Because I'm talking about one thing. So I was referring to this cookie. I'm stuttering, Odie. I was referring to this cookie. I feel like it's gonna taste exactly the same because it's a sugar cookie base, and I believe, oh, it's like kind of breaking apart. So this was more crumbly, because we're getting it from Crumbl. This one is raspberry lemonade. Okay, so I think hopefully the frosting tastes like lemonade, so it can save this cookie, because I didn't even give that one a rating. I'm tweaking. This one is a 5.5, because what is wrong with y'all? I would really give it a 4, but I'm trying to be, not even I'm trying to be nice. It wasn't bad. It was just like basic kind of shit. And like Crumbl, I swear, I'm about to go on the whole rant section, because before I got Crumbl, before I knew it was in Buffalo, bro, I used to look at that shit like, damn, like this shit look dumb good. Like, where's s'mores at? For real, because I really want to try s'mores, and I'm like a step away, not even a step, a second away of ordering the delivery pack, because the delivery pack for the month look better than what's in stores. Like, I want the s'mores. I really do want the s'mores. And hopefully they have it next week because I really want the s'mores. Okay, anyways, let me shut up. Let's get back to the cookie. This is the raspberry lemonade and we're gonna break it. It's crumbly, so I don't think it's gonna have like, I've been on a good streak today. Oop, yeah, oop. So I've been on a good streak of not messing up the cookie. So, yeah. And did y'all know y'all supposed to eat the cookie from the middle of the cookie? I never knew that. Because I like the edges, but... I don't know if I like this. I really don't know if I like it. I keep eating it because I'm trying to figure if I like it. Okay. Off rip. It doesn't taste like the other cookies. They based it on the frosting, but I feel like it did it justice because it now is like a different take based on the other cookies. That's number one. Number two, it does taste like lemonade, but I think I had raspberry lemonade before because of how I remember the raspberry lemonade. It's not this. But it doesn't taste bad. It's not too sweet. It's not too raspberry. It's like more of a, I feel like it's more on the lemonade side kind of thing, which was finally a different taste from the other cookies, because the other cookies basically taste the same, but one of them had white chocolate. And you don't really taste the sugar cookie part because the frosting is so empowering. So I'm gonna give that one, I didn't even do a previous rating. I'm not gonna lie, like it's not bad, but it's just not me though, like kind of thing. Like I don't know, I'm not really fucking with this big lineup. I think I only got the 4 back, but I'm gonna give that one a 6 out of 10. No, I'm gonna give it a 7 or 7. It wasn't bad, it was slightly different, but it wasn't like, it wasn't different to the point that like I'm giving it a higher rating kind of thing. So she's really the star of the show, and I really do hope this is good, because if this one is bad, I would say I'm gonna stop doing cover ratings, but I'm fucking lying. I'm not gonna stop. This one is the pink velvet. The pink velvet, and I'm gonna break it apart. Ooh, it's dripping. Oh no. Oh fucking no. It's like dropping like crazy. Okay, I'm gonna eat it from this side because like this one was cut weird, so yeah. Definitely, I think this is gonna be the best one, so I think this one's gonna be like a solid 8.5 because the other ones are not giving what it's supposed to, so I hope this one does. Let me eat it again before I say something. When I thought it couldn't get worse, it got worse. Number one, the cream cheese frosting was too much cream cheese. Okay, I'm someone who can eat cream cheese by itself. Like I did eat cream cheese by itself sometimes, but when you mix, I don't know what the fuck I just said. When you mix cream cheese and powdered sugar together to create a cream cheese frosting, you have to add more powdered sugar because then it's a throw off. Like, is it sweet? Is it cream cheese? Like, it was just like straight off cream cheese, and it wasn't even good cream cheese either. They faked it. I'm not gonna lie, they fake blew mine today. They fake blew mine today because it's like, what is that? Like seriously, like what is that? No, the cream cheese was too much. I do not recommend this week right now. That sounds really mean. Imagine like the CEO is looking at this like, girl, what is she talking about? That's what you have like 100-something followers. Like, girl, nobody cares. But I don't care, because I'm gonna give y'all honest ratings too at that. Period. The fuck? Nah, but for real, that one was really disgusting. The cookie was good. Like, the cookie base was good. It was just the cream cheese frosting that just threw it off completely. I'm a big fan of cream cheese, and I did not like that one. So maybe it's just my opinion. If y'all do try, let me know in the comments how y'all like it, what y'all want to try. Talk to your girl in the comments. But that one, I'm gonna give that cookie a 2 out of 10 because that really be fucking for real. That really threw me off OD. The best cookie is none. Make sure you tune into my Instagram and my TikTok to know what's my ratings overall, like the lineup kind of thing. And I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a tough decision because I don't really like either. Like I don't like none of them. If I was to choose from one that tasted decent, was the raspberry lemonade. And y'all already heard my rating for the raspberry lemonade. So it's just like, this week lineup is really, it's not it. It's not. It is not it. Crumbl, please do better because I saved $10 this week because I hit like the 100-point shit, and plus I did delivery. Bro, do y'all know Crumbl charged you like $12 for delivery? $12 plus. My original order was like that's more than $12. My original order online was like $14, but my boyfriend is working, so he opened today, so he can't really take me to Crumbl. And I wasn't gonna wait till 5 because I need to give y'all content. So I did delivery, and the delivery was like $29. It was damn near touching $30. No, I'm about to show y'all because y'all probably think I'm lying, but I'm dead serious. I'm gonna let y'all read it first, and then I'm gonna say it out loud. So the 4-pack is $15.25, which is, I think, is cheaper than on the stores. I'm not sure. Delivery fee $10. Oh, did I just see my address? I'ma just like put something over it. $15.25. Delivery fee is $10. Taxes $133. I had like the Crumbl cash. So basically, if you go to Crumbl, I recommend you putting your number and it adds up, so you can get like a discount after like, I think like 7 or I don't know how many orders it is, but they give you a lot of points. And it made my shit go down. Like the original total, I'm bugging, I don't know how to talk. My original total was $26.57. Without the $10, it made it to $16, and that's insane. Like, that's insane. Like, $10 delivery fee. Like, are you kidding me? Like, bro, like, I know it's a 20-minute drive, but like $10? Y'all better like this video. Y'all better comment down below. Y'all better subscribe to the channel. I'm that energetic. So in one of my recipe videos, somebody was like, they don't like how, so okay, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel for more Crumbl reviews. I do think I figured out what am I gonna do in my channel. I think I'm just gonna eat and talk shit with y'all because that's what I do best. And y'all ask me questions about anything, career, everything. I'm also gonna have videos about my engagement, like engagement guides, how to like increase your engagement and all that stuff. So let me know down below questions you have according to that, as well as if you want to sell food in college. I'm gonna give you tips on that too, how to make an income, good places to get inventory from, and all the good stuff. Let me know if y'all want that to be like a mukbang format, or what y'all want me to do. What y'all want me to do. And bye, y'all. Make sure you check all my social media platforms because they're already have different videos, and this week I'm upgrading on quality. So yeah. Oh, before I forget, where is my computer? Oh, if y'all was at the live stream, y'all know my computer got messed up. My boyfriend got me a new one. W boyfriend in the chat, he got me a new computer. We love a man who invests in your business. Yeah, but I'm making this so much. I'm making this longer than I'm supposed to. Bye, sweet cheeks.